Hey y'all, Treasure1354 here, and today we are going to be making a horizontal spinner Battlebot. This is the third video in the series, so if you'd like to see how I created the other two, go ahead and go to my page and find those videos. So, the last couple times we discussed how to make a vertical spinner bot and a drum spinner bot. And really what a horizontal spinner bot is a vertical spinner bot with the long bar for the weapon, but this time it is turned on its side and it spins in a horizontal fashion. And those of you who have been following me for a long time on Tinkercad know that I have never, in the history of my account, have ever even attempted to make a horizontal spinner bot for many reasons. One of them being in Tinkercad, they become very unstable and very hard to control. However, there are some very good upsides to a spinner bot, or horizontal spinner bot. Those being that the way the weapon is really great at bouncing off the walls. That way you can move around, or hitting the opponent and just knocking them away, just spinning them away. There's not really that big of a meta, except for one bot called SSTSG by my friend Techstar. I'll have the link to his project in the description. Check that out. It's a really cool bot. And a lot of you are thinking, well, Trojan1, why can't you just copy that off, to explain it some? We're not going to do that here. We're going to make ones from scratch, and we're going to have fun doing it. So we are going to go to create new project. Alright. Name it horizontal spinner. Alright, so one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to try to make this robot as symmetrical as possible. The more symmetrical we can make it, I believe the more stable our robot will be. So what we'll do is we're going to be taking, oh, you know what? Let's take pyramid. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this. We are going to cut the top off. Alright. And that will be our the base of our robot for the day. What we're going to use, our cylinder. We'll be using cylinders here for the wheels. We'll just scale these down just a little bit. One there. Going to duplicate. Alright. We can line these up, and then we can size these down. 13. For each of these. So if we hit shift and we grab the anchor, we can pull these down and we can union scale them. So we'll make sure that they stay in the right proportions while keeping them down, while sizing them. Going to lift it up just 1 centimeter. And we're we're going to go underneath. We're going to scoot these over just a little bit. That way we got a nice wide base. Alright. Now that we got that, it's time to make the weapon. So we're going to take the box out. And we're going to do it just like we did with the horizontal spinner. We're going to take it and make it nice and wide. And we'll make this a bit flat. Just like that. And then for the edge of the weapon, we're going to search. And what I want to do is I want to use a trapezoid. Alright, then we got the awkward trapezoid here. We're going to align it. Middle. Just like that. Duplicate. Rotate the bar. Delete one of those bars. Alright, so that is our weapon for the day. We're going to group it. We're going to multicolor it, that way we know which shape is which. We're going to drag it to the top here. To align this a bit. Alright. Then what we can do is probably just lower down the scale of the bots right there. Want a bit more of a lower base, if you know what I mean. Alright. That's how we will start the bot off. Right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the sim lab so we can put some motor connectors on it and make sure that we get moving in the way we want it to. I'm going to put that there. We're going to align. If you don't know how to use the align tool, it is best that you learn how to use it because it is very, very important to learn how to use it, especially when adding connectors on things such as wheels and weapons. Okay, align that. Line, hit the middle. The more central you put everything, the best it will be. going to connect it there. Alright. We got continuous. Set the motor speed all the way up. There. Alright. Now that I've got the weapon going, now we can get these wheels on the roll. Continuous. Those going forward. And these going backwards. Alright, so yes, it's going to be a little bit unstable, but that is usually how a lot of the horizontal bots are. But we are going to now spend some time making it look fancy, adding some stuff to it. In fact, I have a few ideas that might actually help improve the state of our spinner bot. So I'll catch you guys here in a minute. Alright. So what I did with it is first of all, I added a second bar, one that spins in the opposite direction, and that will kind of act as our counterbalance for the weapon, or for the weapon. That way, we're not spinning around like how a helicopter has the big propeller and it has the small propeller on the tail to keep it from spinning around. That is what we did here. Of course, you can make it with just one horizontal spinner bot. Once again, my friend T-Tech, he made that one bot. I will have that in the description if you guys want to look at it. Also, I could use your guys' ideas to name this bot. I'll pick the top comment and this. I picked the top comment on what the name should be for this robot, and also as you guys see as the last final detail, we made the tires rubber for grip, and the way that the rules are in the tournaments I have is body plastic and weapons metal. Alright guys, so that is how you make a horizontal spinner bot. That is what a horizontal spinner bot is. I hope that answers your other questions and helps improve your fighting career in Tinkercad Battlebots. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next episode.